फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू यूट्यूब चैनल अली अकेडमी। ये मॉक टेस्ट 1 फॉर एम क्लास 11th कॉमर्स ह्यूमैनिटी स्ट्रीम। तो बिना किसी तरीके से सॉल्व करते हैं। क्वेश्चन 1, हु फाउंडेड द सलीब डायनेस्टी इन इंडिया। इसका ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट हो जाएगा, कुतुबुद्दीन ऐबक। विच मुगल एम्परर बिल्ट द ताजमहल। इसका ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट होगा, शाहजहां। द रिवोल्ट ऑफ 1857 स्टार्टेड फ्रॉम विच प्लेस, मेरठ। हु गिव द स्लोगन डू और डाई ड्यूरिंग द क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट, महात्मा गांधी। The non-cooperation movement was launched in which year? 1920. Which act divided Bengal in 1905? Partition of Bengal Act. Who was the founder of the Mughal Empire in India? Babur. Which battle established British rule in Bengal? Battle of Plassey. Who introduced the permanent settlement in Bengal? Lord Cornwallis. The Jallianwala Bagh massacre took place in which year? 1919. Which ruler was known as the Tiger of Mysore? Tipu Sultan. Which organization was founded by Sir Syed Ahmad Khan? Mohammedan Anglo-Oriental College, AMO College. Which movement was started after the Jallianwala Bagh massacre? Non-cooperation movement. Who wrote the book Discovery of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. The civil disobedience movement began with which famous event? Dandi March. Which river is called the Sorrow of Bihar? Kosi River. Which plateau lies between the Aravalli and Vindhya ranges? Malwa Plateau. Which type of forest is found in areas receiving more than 200 centimeter of rainfall? Tropical evergreen forest. Which state is the leading producer of tea in India? Assam. Which dam is built on the Satluj River? Bhakra Nangal Dam. Which city is known as the Manchester of India? Ahmedabad. Which mineral is mainly used in the generation of nuclear energy? Uranium. Which monsoon brings rainfall to Tamil Nadu in winter? Retreating monsoon. Which is the smallest state of India by area? Goa. Which neighboring country shares the longest boundary with India? Bangladesh. Which pass connects Srinagar with Leh? Jolila. Which is the southernmost point of mainland India? Kanyakumari. Which river originates from the Amarkantak Plateau? Narmada River. Which crop is known as खरीफ crop? इन सभी ऑप्शंस में से राइस जो है वो है खरीफ क्रॉप. Which state is famous for the Korban thermal power plant? Chhattisgarh. Which is the highest law making body in India? Parliament of India. Who is the constitutional head of India? President of India. India is described as a union of states in which article of the Constitution? Article 1 of the Constitution of India. Which body conducts election in India? Election Commission of India, ECI. How many fundamental rights are given in the Indian Constitution? 6 fundamental rights. Which fundamental right abolishes untouchability? Right to equality. The minimum age to vote in India is 18 years. Which house of parliament is called the upper house? Rajya Sabha. Who appoints the Prime Minister of India? President. Which type of government exists in India? Federal government. The Panchayati Raj system is mainly related to rural administration. Which article provides for the abolition of untouchability? Article 17 of the Constitution of India. The Speaker presides over which house? Lok Sabha. Which level of government looks after matters relating to the whole country? Union government of India. Which one of the following is not a fundamental duty? To vote in every election is not a fundamental duty among these options. Which sector is related to agriculture and allied activities? Primary sector. Which is the main occupation of people in rural India? Agriculture. Which of the following is an example of tertiary sector? Banking. What is the full form of GDP? Gross Domestic Product. Which organization prepares the Human Development Report? SDR. UNDP, United Nations Development Program. Which among the following is a developmental goal of people? More income, equal treatment, security, all of these. Which of the following is a modern form of money? Currency notes. Which institution issues currency notes in India? Reserve Bank of India, RBI. Which type of unemployment is common in agriculture? Seasonal unemployment. When workers are employed for more time than needed, it is called disguised unemployment. Which of the following is included in the organized sector. Government teacher. Which crop is mainly grown during the Rabi season? Wheat. Which bank provides loans to rural farmers at low interest? Cooperative bank. Which of the following is not a feature of the organized sector? No government rules. The exchange of goods without using money is called barter system. Which Sufi saint is associated with the Chishti order in India and is buried at Ajmer? Moinuddin Chishti. Which Persian scholar translated the Upanishads into Persian during the Mughal period? Dara Shikoh. Which Mughal emperor built the Buland Darwaza at Fatehpur Sikri? Akbar. The Urdu language mainly developed from the mixture of Persian, Arabic and local Indian languages. Which book was written by Abul Fazl about the administration of Akbar?
Akbari.
Which Mughal emperor shifted the capital from Agra to Fatehpur Sikri? Akbar. Which script is mainly used to write Urdu? Nastaliq. Who was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 2024? P.V. Narasimha Rao, Chaudhary Charan Singh, M.S. Swaminathan. All of these. Which Indian author wrote the book The White Tiger? Arvind Adiga. Which Indian cricketer is known as the god of cricket? Sachin Tendulkar. Option C. Sachin Tendulkar is known as the god of cricket. Which book was written by APJ Abdul Kalam? Ignited Minds. Which country won the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup 2023? Australia. Which city hosted the 2024 Summer Olympics? Paris. Who wrote the national anthem of India? Jana Gana Mana? Rabindranath Tagore. Which award is given for excellence in Indian cinema? Dada Saheb Phalke Award. Which book was written by Harper Lee? To Kill a Mockingbird. Who received the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1913? Rabindranath Tagore. और आगे ये 81 से लेके 100 तक जो क्वेश्चन है वो रीजनिंग एंड इंटेलिजेंस से बहुत ही आसान क्वेश्चन होते हैं। अगर कोई मैथ में वीक भी है वो भी इन्हें आसानी से कर सकता है अगर डेली 1 से 2 घंटे प्रैक्टिस की जाए तो। मैंने एक से यहाँ पे दिखा रहा हूँ, आप सॉल्व कर सकते हैं और नीचे आंसर देख सकते हैं। ये 81, इसका ऑप्शन करेक्ट हो जाएगा सी। 82, इसका ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट हो जाएगा। 83, ऑप्शन डी करेक्ट। 84, ऑप्शन ए करेक्ट। 85, ऑप्शन बी करेक्ट। 86, फाइंड द मिसिंग नंबर, ऑप्शन सी करेक्ट। 87, 88, 89, 90, 91 क्वेश्चन, 92। जो भी स्टूडेंट्स एम में बी एल एल बी, बी ए ऑनर्स, क्लास 11th ह्यूमैनिटीज़ कॉमर्स, बी ए फॉरेन लैंग्वेज, BBA, जितने भी यूजी कोर्सेज हैं उनकी तैयारी करना चाहते हैं तो इस चैनल को ज़रूर सब्सक्राइब कर लेना। और कोई भी अपडेट देखने के लिए, रिजल्ट से जुड़ी अपडेट हो या फिर कोई भी अदर अपडेट हो, उसे देखने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब जरूर कर लेना।